The notion of wisdom in today's context can be explored through the lens of biblical scriptures, which offer timeless insights into prudence, moral intelligence, and piety. In a world often marked by rapid change and uncertainty, these principles remain relevant to guide individuals and societies towards thoughtful and just decisions. Wisdom in the Bible. Wisdom in the Bible is often associated with the fear of God, an expression that signifies a deep respect for God's majesty and authority. The book of Proverbs is particularly rich in teachings on wisdom. For example, Proverbs 9 verse 10 states, "The fear of the Lord is the beginning of wisdom, and knowledge of the Holy One is understanding." This idea emphasizes that true wisdom begins with the recognition of God's sovereignty over all things. Contemporary examples of wisdom. In the contemporary context, wisdom can be seen in various spheres of life. For instance, in environmental matters, many world leaders adopt policies that reflect prudent management of natural resources, thereby acknowledging their responsibility towards creation, a principle supported by the Bible in Genesis 2 verse 15, where man is called to tend and keep the Garden of Eden. On a personal level, wisdom manifests in the daily life choices of individuals who, inspired by biblical principles, strive to balance work and rest, and manage their relationships with compassion and justice, as suggested by Philippians 2 verses 3 to 4. Do nothing out of selfish ambition or vain conceit. Rather, in humility value others above yourselves.